today we are going to be talking about the difference between HTML, CSS and JavaScript. A lot of questions, a lot of people have reaching out to me. Why don't you make a video about you telling us about what's the difference between HTML, CSS and JavaScript? So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be telling you guys, I'm going to be giving a full explanation about these three languages which is used to structure websites online there. So good afternoon everyone, my name is Abbas Akintola. If you're just joining my YouTube channel, you can call me Tools Coding. So first of all, let's talk about what's HTML. You see, HTML is the structure of every website you are seeing online there. Without HTML, there is no how you can build a structure for a website. It's just like of you building a house. If you have to build a house now, you have to create a foundation. What's the function of this foundation? The function of the foundation is for the house to have a structure, is for the house to have, a cemented layer of it, or for it to stay or for it to be stable on a particular land. So without foundation, the structure of a house is not complete, and later in the future you might later have problem, or it's not even possible for you to build a house. You understand? So HTML is the structure used in building websites. Every website you are seeing online there is built from the core of HTML. The starting point for every website you are seeing online there is HTML. So think of it as you are as an human being. You have a skeleton. Skeleton is the one giving your body the structures. It gives your body the structure, it gives your body the structure, it gives your body. So skeleton is the one giving your body the structure. So think of it as the skeleton of every website when it comes to HTML. So when we move to CSS, CSS is just like, how should I put this out? It's just like you decorating your structure. You built a structure, right? So once you decorate your structure, want to make it look fancy, want to make it look attractive for people to come and visit, for people to come and see whatever structure you've built. So CSS is just like you sketching out a particular drawing. You sketched out the structure already. You sketched out how you want it to be. So the next thing for you to think is of maybe you are going to shade it, maybe you are going to paint it, maybe you are going to give it some look, some attractive look, for people to start looking down, for people to start looking your admiring your framework or your work of art, for people to give you good compliments. Wow, I do love your drawing, I love the paint, I love the color, I love it as you make your drawing, as you bring it into life. So like CSS is just like you bringing your web page, bringing your whatever website you built with HTML, bringing it to life, giving it colors, giving it structures, giving it structures that is going to giving it structure that is going to give it a particular identification. Do you understand? So that's the terms of what of CSS. It's just like you painting your structure, your HTML. Why we move to the JavaScript? This is where the main deal is. You have a structure, you give it its color, then what's going to make it come live fully? What's going to make it functional? What's going to make it, what's going to make people give you responses? What's going to make people give you responses about whatever particular structure you're putting out there? You see, that's when we talk about JavaScript. Now let me move away from the fact that I'm talking about structure now. Let me move to the website itself. You see, every website you are using online there, for example, YouTube. YouTube is a website. It is built, its foundation is built from the core of HTML. You understand? Colors, structures, buttons, styles that have been given to YouTube, or that is currently on YouTube page, is done by CSS. Why the interaction? You saw a particular movie on YouTube now and you're willing to watch it. You have the image already, you have the structure for the image, you have the color, you have everything that makes it look fancy. So you want to watch the particular YouTube video. Then how are you going to do that? You have to click on it, right? So you clicking on that particular video and takes you to another web page of views to start watching the video. That is the function of JavaScript. JavaScript makes your website communicative. It makes whoever visits your website, it makes the person being able to interact with your website. JavaScript is going to be the one to bring your website, bring it to life, make it interactive, make it communicative with people who are willing to visit your website. Those are my idea, and those are what I do understand about these structures: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So guys, one more time, thank you for watching my YouTube video, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Abbas Aketola. Once again, you can call me E2 Coding. Please guys, please subscribe, like, comment, and please share to your friends that they are willing to learn about web developing, or which they are beginners and they need like more ideas. So thank you guys. See you.